Right now, something is drifting through our galaxy that you cannot see, cannot hear, and cannot stop. There are millions of them hiding between the stars, dead suns collapsed into points of pure gravity. Most will never come near us. But what if just one did? What if a black hole entered our solar system? It wouldn't arrive with a bang. It would arrive in total silence. And that is the terrifying part. A black hole is what's left when a giant star dies and crushes itself smaller and smaller. Gravity wins so completamente that it folds space into a bottomless pit. Even light cannot climb out. Our wanderer might be small, only a few times heavier than the sun, but packed into a city-sized point. From far away you would never spot it. No glow, just a hole where the stars should be. The first sign would not be the black hole itself. It would be the planets starting to misbehave. Think of our solar system as a calm pond, each planet a leaf floating in a perfect circle. For 4 billion years, nothing has disturbed the water. The leaves drift in quiet, predictable loops. Now drop a heavy stone into that pond, except this stone has the weight of a star. The water does not splash, it bends. Space itself sags toward the intruder, and the leaves begin to slide. Orbits that took centuries to settle are pulled into chaos in a matter of months. Some planets are flung outward into the freezing dark, exiled from the sun forever. Others are dragged inward, toward the sun, toward each other, toward the hole itself. If it passed near Earth, we would not need a direct hit to be in serious trouble. Just a close approach would stretch our world, with tides no ocean has ever known. The crust would flex, earthquakes everywhere, volcanoes waking all at once. Our orbit, the gentle ring that gives us seasons and warmth, would be yanked out of shape. Pulled too far out, the oceans freeze solid under an eternal night. Pulled too close in, and the same oceans boil away into the sky. And if Earth fell past the point of no return, the event horizon, there would be no coming back. Gravity would pull harder on your feet than your head, stretching everything like cosmic taffy. The planet would draw out into a glowing ribbon of debris, spiraling into the dark. From the outside, it would look almost beautiful. A final, bright ring, and then nothing. So should you be lying awake at night? Almost certainly not. Space is staggeringly empty. The nearest black hole we know is over 1,000 light-years away. The odds of one drifting through our tiny corner of the galaxy are almost unimaginably small. And here is the strange gift hidden in all of this fear. Black holes built the universe you live in. The giant ones anchor galaxies, herding stars into the spirals where planets like ours can form. The very atoms in your body were forged in dying stars, the same deaths that make black holes. We are not just threatened by the violent universe, we are made of it. And for the first time, a species on a small, wet rock can look up and understand all of it. The same gravity that could one day undo us is the gravity that holds you to your chair right now. It keeps the moon in the sky, the oceans in their beds, and the planets in their quiet rings. The universe is not trying to kill you. It is mostly just vast, silent, and indifferent, and incredible. So take a breath. The stars are far away tonight. If this made you look up a little longer, stay curious.